Hey team, so today I'm going to talk to you about like cloud managed agents and how we could work with Tenki Sandbox. So first thing first, what is the cloud managed agent or CMA? It's basically a setup for running cloud as an autonomous agent with where the infrastructure is basically handled for you. So first you define an agent, you pick the model, write the system prompt, choose the tools and MCP servers it can use. He opens the session, start like working on your task, stream events in real time, read files, etc., like standard stuff. And all of these happen basically inside a cloud container that Anthropic manages, right? Where we are going to do things a little bit differently here is we are going to do self-hosting. It changes basically one thing. It moves the container to our own infrastructure. Everything else stays on Anthropic side, like the agent loop, the model calls, the prompt caching, the event stream, and session history. All of that stays on Anthropic side. The only thing that runs on the sandbox is the file system and shell, where the tools like bash, read, and write actually execute. So today I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so here we have two things. On the left, we have the terminal. On the right, we are going to have the browser. So basically everything is highlighted into the README. We need 4 prerequisites, Python, Anthropic API key, Anthropic environment, and an environment key, and a Tenki API key. Tenki part, really simple. You go on your account, select API keys, create the API key over there. For the cloud side of thing, you need to get an API key from here. Then you create an environment. Over here, select self-hosted, create it, and then we are going to use one of the ones that I created already. You generate an environment key, right? Super simple. And now let's jump into the first steps. So we are going to open the first terminal here and just making sure that we activate the source environment. Perfect. I'm gonna do and make sure to have the make install. Sorry, first with the Python command. There we go. Everything is already installed. Obviously on my side. Here we are going to run the init, and that's where you'll get prompts on yours when doing that for the first time to input all the keys that we've chatted about a few seconds ago. So here we are going to run the orchestrator. So everything is going to start. As you can see here, the orchestrator has been started. It's just waiting to get some calls. And so that's where we start to use our second terminal. Here we are going to run a very simple command, just making sure that everything is running properly. So you see that the session is working, and that's where it goes. Here, if I go on the Cloud Console back, the session has been started here with a very simple output, just showing me the Python version. If I want something a little bit more visual here, that takes a little bit of time, but just like downloading a file and just like counting the number of words, showing that into a chart to have something a little bit more visual. So you'll see here that the command is going to start, session is going to start. Here, all the inputs, the agent talking, it's starting as well. So not this one, actually, here. Sorry for that. Okay, so here there is my input, there's the agent, and that's the job running. It's going to take a few seconds before showing the results. And so here we can see that the call has been received by the machine, and actually everything is just like currently running. Okay, so here it shows this, like the file, everything is running, and the output is over here, every single session. So that's basically how you can use CMA and sandboxes together. Why would you do that? There's many reasons, but the main ones are like you get isolation, right? No compromise sandbox can affect each other, which could be the case on Anthropic side. They're fast. There is no image pool, no package install, no boot sequence session time. Easy pause and resume, right? You can pause like and resume exactly where you left off, running processes, open files, and normal states, and all of that. And in addition to the templates set up from a Sandbox that can be very powerful, and you pay for the compute only when the agent is actively working. Ownership, of course, beyond running the agent tools that CMA provided to you, you have full control of the VM, right? Pre-installed packages and templates, like I said, and an easy migration, right? Like the code remains the same, only the few keys that we've chatted about are the ones that allows you to run on a self-hosted environment rather than Anthropic container, and in that case, Sandbox. So that's pretty much how CMA and Tenki Sandbox work together. Thank you.